Hello guys, so this is a shared hosting space, and I will take you through how you can create a database on hosting. It's just similar to other hosting vendors as well. So all you need to do is to go to hosting and select the domain on which you want to create a database on. So I want to create on dailyfood.com. So this your domain dashboard. So on your left side, just locate database and choose from Mysql database and wait for it to load. Alright, so this is your database name and the username and the password. Okay, you can choose same username as a database name, no problem. So I'll use let's say I'll use just anything. Okay, nothing. My web, my username to be my web, and don't forget that this ID will be attached to your database name and username as well. Okay, and you choose a password and okay, alright. So if you are done, then just click create and let's wait for it to finish. Okay, so database has been created. Alright, so if you want to see your database, just scroll down. Okay, so this is a new database you've created. So as you can see, your web hosting ID has been attached to your database name and username. So if you want to go to your database and import or create a table or import an SQL file, just click on my PHP or phpMyAdmin and wait for it to load. Alright, so it's loading. Alright, so it's taking us to alright, so we are here. Alright, so you can create table or you can even import. If you have an existing database, you can just import. If you have MySQL file like this, you can just import it. That's all. Thank you.